Hi, I'm G-Man and this is the G-Boy DIY Kit. The G-Boy Kit comes with all the parts you need to convert your Nintendo Wii into a fully handheld portable. The only additional parts needed are two 18650 battery cells, DS Lite buttons, a micro SD card, and of course your home console. The G-Boy is carefully packaged with a sleek printed sleeve around the box. Inside are the parts divided into bags to assist in organizing the assembly process with the help of an included complete assembly guide. The 3D printed parts bag includes pieces for the LCD assembly, printed buttons, and Joy-Con support bars. The audio amp bag includes a custom digital audio amp PCB and speakers that are assembled with leaf connections which don't require any additional wires. The RVL PMS also comes with a special RGB LED board and the thermistor for over temperature protection. This little board provides battery charging and protection, as well as the custom regulators for powering the trimmed Wii motherboard. The USB-C PCB bag includes the USB SD adapter, which is designed to be as slim as possible. This PCB allows you to charge the G-Boy with USB-C power delivery chargers. It also handles the internal game storage, which you can access by plugging the USB-C cable to your computer from the G-Boy. The cooling includes the heatsink, fan, and copper sheet for thermal connection to the Wii motherboard. This will keep the Wii motherboard at a stable temperature. For more information on the G-Boy, check out the G-Boy Everything You Need to Know video on the BitBuild channel. The G-Boy DIY kits are available now on the BitBuild store.